Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue the lesson Breeding and Biotechnology. Now we are going to discuss about the topic DNA fingerprinting technology. So already we know in our human genome 3 billion base pairs are present. So each person's DNA sequence is unique due to the small differences in the base pairs. If we want to compare that differences between the two individual means, we have to use the DNA fingerprinting technology. So it was first developed by Dr. Alec Jeffrey in the year 1984. In this technique, it is a method to isolating and identifying variable elements within the base pair sequences of DNA. So this is the DNA fingerprinting technology. At the same time, it analyzes each individual's sequence in a DNA and provide the distinct characteristics for identification. So what is mean by VNTRS? So that is a variable number of tandem repeats. So that small different repeats are called it as a VNTRS sequences. Then the human beings having 99% of the DNA base sequences are same sequences. So that is called as a bulk genomic DNA. Then remaining 1% sequence are differs from one person to another person. That 1% sequences are present in a small stretch of repeated sequences. So that is called it as a satellite DNA. The number of copies of repeat sequences are called it as a VNTRS. Already we discussed, that is variable number tandem repeats. So it is different from one person to another person. So finally, what is the result we get from the DNA fingerprinting? So variation in size of the DNA segments. So this is the DNA fingerprinting technology. Discuss about the steps of DNA fingerprinting. The first step is a specimen collection. The specimen is collected from the person's blood, hair follicle, saliva, semen and any body tissue cells. Okay. Then sometimes small amount of DNA will be used for PCR reaction, that is polymerase chain reaction will occur in fingerprinting. Next process, cutting, sizing and sorting. The DNA fragment is cutted with restriction enzymes. So many fragments are produced. Okay. Then that fragments are produced based on their size. Then it is sorted out by agarose gel electrophoresis. In this method, the DNA is inserted into the wells, then the shorter fragment are moved faster than larger. The DNA is a negative charge, it attracted by positive end. Okay. Then the separated DNA fragment is transferred to the nitrocellulose paper by placing the sheet on the gel, then soaking them overnight. Okay. After that, the radioactive material was added to the DNA. Then it is combined with radioactive material. Then after that, the X-ray film was placed on the sheet. Then the X-ray film is record the pattern of radioactive on the paper. Then application of DNA fingerprinting. It is used for paternity testing in case of disputes. Then it is used in the forensic application. Then it helps in diagnosis of inherited disorders. Next topic is genetically modified organisms. One of the most important development in the genetic engineering is the production of genetically modified organisms, that is like plants or animals. So what is meant by genetically modification? So that is the modification refers to the alteration or manipulation of genes in the organisms using recombinant DNA techniques. So that is called it as a genetically modification. Okay, then next the DNA fragment is inserted is called it as a transgene. Then the expressed plants or animals, that modified endogenous gene or a foreign gene is called it as a transgenic animals or transgenic plants. Okay, then the transgenic plants are much stable with the nutritional quality and resistant to diseases and tolerant to various environmental conditions. So this is the most beneficial effect of transgenic plants. Similarly, the transgenic animals also used to produce the medicinally important proteins at low cost and improve the quality also. Okay, some of the examples are given to you. So what are all the examples? So this is the examples. So first one, it is a improved nutritional quality in rice. So what is the gene inserted? The beta carotene gene will be inserted. It is taken out from the humans. Why? Because of synthesis of vitamin A. So this golden rice to treat the vitamin A deficiency disease. Okay. Then increased crop production for Bt genes from bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. For protein production, it is toxic to the insects. So insect resistant plants will be produced. Then genetically modified animals, first one, improved wool quality and protection. So genes for synthesis of amino acid cysteine. Why? The cysteine amino acid is induce the growth of wool. Okay, so that is a transgenic sheep. Then increased growth in fishes. So salmon or rainbow trout or tilapia, it is a types of fishes. So in these fishes, the growth hormone gene will be inserted. Then the growth is induced. Okay, so that is a transgenic fish. Thank you.